Hi, listen, I've tried paper piercing. So this is the bird dye from my Crafter's Companion new magazine. I got the free dyes 13 and embossing folder. I just cut that out. It was this bird here, and I went around with my pokey tool and I pierced this card there on this side for his tail. Well, there you can see the design. Went there, drew it, poke through, see there, and I gave him that tail, and then went round him. I gave him legs, pierced his eye there, and can you see it looks like a stitch detail? Yeah, it looks really nice. It hurts the hand a bit. I've got metal plate underneath so it doesn't pierce through the magazine and into my legs. I've done the wing as well, and holographic paper there for my bird, and I just poked an eye for him so you can see where he's flying off to, and it's on red mirror shiny card, and it's just a new technique that I've just taught myself. I really like it, stitch detail. I'm going to put it in my scrapbook that I'm making for myself. Okay, take care. Hope you like it. If you do, give me a thumbs up. I just want to show you so you know, just really slowly poke all the way around the bird. Okay, take care. Have fun. Bye. Rate this if you like it. Thanks. Bye.